Hey German One, it's Herr Kuchta. I'm just going to talk briefly about the links that I've posted on your assignments. So they're all links that bring you to web pages about German costumes. So this comes from one of my favorite websites called Deutsche Welle. It's almost like NPR for Germany. It's a radio station, but they have a lot of cool stuff online. And you'll click through all of these little numbers at the bottom, and they show you different costumes all throughout Germany. Try and take a guess as to where these costumes are worn. Germany has a rich heritage of many different cultures that have been brought together. The next link, so that was link number one. Link number two is this Pinterest site, and you'll see some historic costumes that are that would be probably considered crimes against fashion today, but were seen as cute or entertaining in the past. And then we have the German Costume Association. So this is an association that represents people who like to get together and wear historic clothing. It's kind of like the Civil War battle reenactment of yesteryear, but these people don't shoot muskets at each other or whatever. This site is the next link, and it's all about historic costumes, what people used to wear in the past. So this kind of was their everyday dress, but probably their nice dress. This is a milkmaid and some sort of milk. Let's see, a milkmaid and a pickle salesman. Interesting. Okay, and then the last link is wedding costumes that people would have worn 100 years ago. So you're going to look through these pictures. They're very entertaining. I hope you guys enjoy this. And then you're going to go back to Google Classroom, find the assignment labeled Deutsche Trachten, which means German traditional costumes, and submit a picture of a traditional German costume that you think best represents your style, personality, or tastes. Have fun!